Severe weather triggers flooding, landslides and blocked roads across Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Viewers, a tropical disturbance in the Western Caribbean Sea, responsible for the unstable weather conditions across the island over the past few days, is increasingly likely to develop into the next depression or tropical storm by Sunday. This according to the National Hurricane Center in Miami. Meanwhile, the Meteorological Service of Jamaica on Friday afternoon, the 23rd of October, upgraded the flash flood watch for the island to a flash flood warning, which will remain in effect until 5 p.m. on Saturday, the 24th of October. Notably, the condition is not changing rapidly, and the disturbance known as Invest 95L is a broad area of low pressure near the Cayman Islands. Now, over the past day or so, thunderstorms have become more clustered, which is a sign of a system gradually organizing. There is now a 90% chance that the disturbance could become a tropical depression over the next 48 hours. If this area of low pressure becomes a tropical storm, it will be the 27th named storm of the season and will be given the name Zeta. Now, regardless of development, given the system's initial slow movement, heavy rain and flash flooding are possible the next several days for the Cayman Islands and Jamaica, into Cuba, parts of the Florida Peninsula and the Bahamas. The forecast for the island is for cloudy conditions with period of showers and strong gusty winds in the vicinity of thunderstorms, which could be heavy at times to continue across sections of all parishes. Now, persistent rainfall produced by the system has caused heavy flooding and landslides in some areas across the island, and has toppled trees and rocks in St. Andrew and St. Thomas.
So the land has finally given way and it's getting worse. That hill, this is by 7 miles going towards 8 miles in Bull Bay. And trust me, the hill has given way, and this is now the road and everything is going into the sea. So this is the water coming from Shooter's Hill, and this is not a river in dry times, but this is what it is in rain. So there's a JUTC bus coming now just to give you a judgment of where the water is at. Look at the front of the boat.
Yo, the man trying to drive out, watch it. Water getting higher. That's shut them now. Good. I see the bus one pass it around. Watch it, and the bus are big people. Walk with car, brother. The pressure will come down there so you push away.
What's up? Yeah. No more than that.
There was a double tragedy in Shooter's Hill where a man died and his daughter is missing after a landslide covered their house. Meanwhile, the National Works Agency is urging motorists to remain vigilant whilst using the nation roadways at this time, even where there is no evident signs of severe flooding or landslides, as driving conditions may deteriorate rapidly due to continued rainfall, the agency said.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!